The Sony DSX-A410BT car stereo receiver delivers clear, punchy sound that is a noticeable upgrade over most factory head units, especially when paired with decent speakers. Its dual Bluetooth connectivity lets you keep two smartphones connected at once, so you can stream music from one device while still taking hands-free calls from another. Built-in voice control works smoothly with modern smartphones, allowing you to change tracks, place calls, or get navigation prompts without taking your hands off the wheel. The front-mounted universal serial bus and auxiliary inputs make it easy to plug in older music players or a flash drive while keeping cables accessible and tidy. Although it omits a compact disc drive, the digital media focus means faster startup, simpler operation, and fewer moving parts to wear out over time. The compact single-DIN design fits a wide range of dashboards, and the intuitive button layout makes it straightforward to operate even while driving.